Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm coming to you with an hopefully epic unboxing. I'm feeling very nervous about this unboxing because I have no idea how this bag looks in person. Yes, this is a bag from Bottega and it's not the Jodi. And the reason why this unboxing makes me very nervous is because I'm very bad at hiding my emotions. So if I love this bag, you will see it, but if I hate this bag, you will see it too. So let us open this. In this video, I will also talk about this beautiful basket bag. I will also tell you that I have sold my other basket bag. Not very happy about it, but we talk about that later. And I would also talk about the T-Lock bag by, oh, I should not do this, right? By Toteme. Because many people ask me about that bag and want to know my opinion on that bag, and therefore at the end of this video I will talk about that as well. Actually, after reviewing and talking about this bag, I have reviewed three of most popular Loewe basket bags. I will link all those videos up here or in the description box. By the way, everything you see in this video will be linked down below. Also, all the sizes I have picked up, you know, just in case you see something in the cutaways, I will make sure they are linked down below. But usually in my description box you don't find only the links but also the sizes and information about pieces if there is something more to say about them and I forget to mention them in these videos. For some items I also give you really good alternatives. So it is worth checking out my description box because I spend a lot of hours on that description box. So anyway, let us open this beauty, hopefully a beauty. And here we have the dust bag. Ta-da! This is the turn pouch by Bottega Veneta. It comes in so many different colors. I was thinking of getting it in a very beautiful green as well, and I will link that one down below as well. Oh, I like it. I can tell you, I really, oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Is this black? Oh, this is not black. This is navy. Okay, this is navy. It's a very dark shade of navy. Wow. Oh my god. I'm afraid I like it. Oh gosh, we have a problem. Okay. This bag can be worn as a, you know, shoulder bag, as a top handle bag, which is very important for me because I love top handle bags. And then it also can be worn, of course, in the crook of your arm. Okay, you can I saw this bag on Instagram, of course, and this bag looked much bigger on Instagram. Maybe because the person who was wearing it or carrying it was shorter than I am or more petite. And on me it looks a bit small, but I don't mind. It is a nice one. It's a nice size. The only thing is I'm not sure how I feel. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I am your worst buyer because there is always however or but. You know, these kind of things are expensive and these are not items that we buy just on a whim or for a short period of time. At least with me, things that I buy, they need to stay in my wardrobe for a very long time, and this is why I look at them with a very critical eye. So now let us talk more about this bag. This is a beautiful bag, really beautiful, very cool looking, very minimalistic without being boring. This bag is far, far, far from being boring. But okay, first of all, I can tell you now, opening and closing this bag, using this bag on day-to-day basis can be a pain. I mean, just imagine, I am at the till with 2 kids. I am at the till and I have to pay. I open the bag and I'm sure somebody always wants something from me, and then I have to be quick, you know. So opening this bag like this, paying, everything is open. So everything is really open, as you can see. So there is no hiding here. I mean, you could maybe leave the bag half open and access more easily. But such a beautiful one, such a beautiful. But don't let us be distracted by the beauty of this beauty, right? So opening and closing this bag, using this bag for everyday life, I can tell you right away, no, it's not great, not great at all. Then we have the strap. The strap, I really like the design of it. It's very unique, but I can tell you, as you can see, the strap is very smooth and extremely delicate. I mean, you can already see here marks from this metal ball. And also this bag, it doesn't have any lining. And as you can see, the strap of this bag can get easily in the way when you try to open and close the zipper. And this is also very dangerous for the strap. And the size of this bag is quite decent, you know, so you would think you can fit a lot of things in there. But if you do, then you lose the coolness and the slouchiness of this bag. So I don't have much in there now. I have only a, you know, sunglasses pouch and my phone and my wallet and my eye drops. And, you know, and even with these few things, this bag was not as slouchy as I wanted it to be. So let us try it again. No, this bag is beautiful, don't get me wrong. I'm sorry, if you have this bag, please ignore this part of the video, because you will probably love this bag, and I don't want to say anything bad about things that people have, you know, because we spend so much money on these items and we don't want to hear bad things about them, right? So please ignore this part of this video. I think this is a beautiful bag for occasional wear, but not a great bag for every day. So this is my honest opinion, but it is again beautifully made, really beautifully made. I love this intrecciato design of Bottega bags. By the way, doesn't this remind you of a fortune cookie? It does, right? This is the perfect bag for those who have a big bag collection, who go out a lot and don't want to use this bag as everyday bag. Yeah, not for busy mamas. No, no. Ah, so beautiful. My brain says no, my heart says hell yes. And I don't think every bag needs to be an everyday bag, right? But we move on to the next one. This one. This is, by the way, if you enjoy this kind of videos, you know, reviews about, honest reviews about bags and everything fashion related, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here. So, next one. This one by Loewe. This basket bag was haunting me. Honestly, this bag was haunting me. This is such a beautiful bag. It is made out of tall strands of elephant grass in Ghana. I mean, look at it. It is very subtle. It is very thin. As you can see, it's not like the palm leaf basket bag I had. That one was quite wide. But the main reason why I was so drawn to this one is because it is very subtle. And I love the fact that this one was made in Africa. I have a very special connection, emotional connection to Africa, and I really love the fact that this one was made in Africa and it is beautiful. Somebody asked me if these kind of bags destroy your clothing. To be honest with you, this was always also a concern of mine, and I can imagine they could potentially destroy your delicate clothing, because there will always something be sticking out of these bags, if not now, later on. This is just me being realistic, and I think they could be dangerous for your clothing, but for now it is good. Nothing is sticking out, but just by touching it like this, some pieces are sharper than the others. Not massively, but you have to be careful. I guess you have to be careful. So, and this one is very photogenic, not an important aspect, but it is if you are doing Instagram, so it is very photogenic. And what I love about this one, comparing it now with my last basket bag, with my basket bag that I sold, and by the way, I am a bit sad about selling that basket bag, especially for that price. I sold it for a very good price, not for me, but for the buyer. And also, I think that bag is beautiful. I think that bag is really beautiful. If you have that bag, but you are a bit put off by it because many people have it, please don't sell that bag. Just maybe give it a break for a few weeks or months or for a season. I'm sure you will get back to that bag because it is a beautiful one. So don't make the same mistake and sell it. Anyway, so there are a few things that I love about this basket bag. First, it is, as I mentioned before, it is very thin here, so it comes together and you can carry it like so without an awkward, situation. And also, talking about security, you could also close these two straps. Not that this gives you security, but it would keep the bag a bit more together and prevent things, rolling out of your bag. That was the case with my other basket bag. So if you have, for example, small kids and you need to bend over a lot to help them or anything, then the items are more secure in there and don't roll out. So this is one thing I love about this bag. The other thing I love about this bag are the thin shoulder straps. They are very comfortable and they don't slip off your shoulder, as you can see. So this is a big plus for me. It is a beautiful one, right? This bag is very minimalistic. You don't see anything on this side, and on this side you have this back charm, which is very beautiful and very, very understated. Only people who know, they know. Other than that, you don't have any logo on it, and if you really don't like this logo, there is a knot here. You can open the knot and get rid of the logo and use it elsewhere. Now let us talk about the T-Lock bag by Toteme. Many people ask me about that bag, and I have a few things to say about that bag. First of all, that bag is beautiful. Beautiful, sleek, minimalistic, chic. What else could you expect from Toteme, right? But when it comes to practicality and using that bag for every day, again, if you have that bag, please switch off here, enjoy your bag, and don't listen to me. But if you don't have that bag and you are thinking of getting it, maybe you order it and then see it for yourself, because I have never had that bag in my hand. Just by looking at it, and this is coming from somebody who has got a lot of experience with bags. I have had many bags in my hands, and I am a bag lover. So I see bags with different eyes. I appreciate their beauty, but I have a very critical eyes for bags. Anyway, so about that bag, I think that bag has got a very awkward opening. So here I talk about the one with the top handle, because I am a top handle girl. I love bags with top handle. So imagine you have the top handle, you have the bag, I don't insert a photo because of course I am talking bad things about this bag and I don't want to use their photos. So bear with me if you don't know how this bag looks after this video. I will also link it down below so you can go and check it out. So imagine you open the bag, yeah? You have the top handle, you know, just in front of the opening. And I think this is also a reason why I am not buying the mini Jodi, because the top handle of that bag is in the way, you know. But we go back to the T-Lock by Toteme. So you open the bag like so, you have the top handle in the middle of everything, and also the flap doesn't open all the way up. As I mentioned before, I have never had this bag in my hands. Maybe I should order it and review it properly for you. But for me, from what I have seen so far, it is all clear. That bag is beautiful, but the opening and closing that bag is a pain, and I don't do that anymore. I had one by Celine, the trapeze bag, which I adored for so many years, and I really wanted that bag to work for me, but that bag was very, very impractical, to be honest with you. So that bag is beautiful, but if you want to hear my opinion, I think that bag is not very practical for every day, and therefore it's off the table for me. And yes, I hope I didn't step on anyone's toes here today. I probably have, but I warned you, right? Yes, let me know what you think about these bags. If you have any opinions on the bags I have just mentioned and showed you, and also if you are curious about any other bags, let me know, maybe I can review them for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.